everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito ng reaction video, ang TNT Duets. Isa sa mga favorite ko, Bensor Dumasig, nagbabalik sa TNT Duets. But for today's video, he will sing a song together, or he will perform and compete together with Giovanni. Giovanni Sitera. Actually, parang hindi ako familiar kay Giovanni. This is the first time na maririnig kong kumanta si Giovanni. So let's check it out. It's been a while na hindi na ako nakagawa ng reaction video kay Bensor, and I'm really excited. Mahal to ng madlang people eh. Totoo lang. Even me, mahal ko din talaga to siya. Sadyang magagaling lang din talaga yung mga Resbacker last time. No? Kaya medyo kinapos si si Bensor Dumasig. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out. Bensor Dumasig. Ay, ano yung achievement niya? Sorry. Grand Finalist TNT All-Star Grand Resback 2025. Third placer TNT Year 7. Third placer pala siya. Ay, siya si Giovanni. Giovanni, Grand Finalist TNT Year 2. Semi-Finalist TNT also. Giovanni Sitera. Okay. Go. Ay, ang ganda! Ay, ang ganda ng kanta nila! Okay. Wow! Oh, I love that. I love that. Oh my God, the emotion. Yung emotion, I love that. Wait. Gusto ko yun eh. Yung tipong may binabali silang mga nota ng kanta. You know what I mean? Pwede ba natin umpisahan muna sa simula? Kasi ang ganda ng introduction nila. Ay. Ang mataas si Giovanni. Baritone si Bensor. Kahit mataas yung boses niya. Wow. Sarap. Okay. Ay, grabe yung key changes. May mga pa-key change siya. Ay, hurt si Jerome. Oh! Storyteller talaga siya.
I'm so lost without you. I know you were right. Believing for so long. I'm all out of love. I'm not without you. To say that I was so wrong.
Naiyak ako, sorry. Naiiyak ako. Hindi ko alam, nanonood lang naman ako, pero naiiyak ako. I really love how Bensor and Giovanni tell us a story through this song. Nakaka-LSS lang to, pero I have to be honest with you, never akong umiyak sa ganitong kanta. Pero nang silang kumanta, parang iba, parang alam mo yung ang pinapakinggan ko is ang ugwi ng duyan. Alam mo yon? Grabe yung vibrato ni Bensor. Ay! Ay! Decrescendo. Love it.
I'm all out of love. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so long. I'm all out of love. What am I without you? I can't be too late to say I was so wrong. I'm so lost without you. I know you were right, believing for so
Ang ganda nila mag-story ng kanta. Di natulala na ako. Tama pa ba to? Wow! Atake sila for today's video. I really love how they ended the song though. Ay! Oh, loko! Di mo kaya! Di mo kaya! Wow! Oy! Cutie! Alright, there you go guys. That is all for today's video. Bensor Dumasig and sino nga yung isa? Giovanni Satera. Is that right? Wow! Ang ganda naman ng All Out of Love nila na version. This is KG Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!